In some usage scenarios, sparks or scorch marks may appear on the battery base, which can cause poor contact in the wiring that connects the battery to the base. In this case, you'll need to replace the battery base. Remove the 4 cross screws from the battery base. You will see that the battery base is connected to the battery via a connector. Simply unplug the connector. Prepare the new battery base and keep the original waterproof ring. Install the waterproof ring onto the new battery base. Make sure the 4 holes on the waterproof ring align with the 4 holes on the battery base, and the groove will tightly hold to ensure waterproof functionality. After installation, reconnect the battery base's connector to the battery's connector. Once connected, reinstall the battery base into its original position, ensuring the holes are aligned for proper installation. Install the 4 cross screws to secure the battery base. This completes the battery base replacement. The second situation involves the battery protection cover being damaged due to compression during shipping. In this case, you'll need to replace the battery protection cover. Disconnect the battery base with the connector and set it aside. Remove the battery base on the other side. There are 5 cross screws that secure the battery base. First, remove the middle cross screw, and then remove the remaining 4 screws. Set them aside for later use. Gently slide the battery protection cover to check if it's movable. Once confirmed, take the new protection cover and place it according to the slide rail position. When installed correctly, it will lock into place. Install the waterproof ring on the battery base, tidy up the wires, and place the battery base back into its original position. Make sure the groove on the battery base aligns with the screw holes at the bottom to ensure a secure fit. First, align the groove to ensure the waterproof ring stays in place, then press down on the battery base to lock it in. Install the 5 cross screws that secure the battery base. Start by installing the 2 long screws first, then tighten the remaining screws, and finally install the middle screw. When you return to the other side of the battery base, you will notice a protruding side, indicating that this side should be installed at the bottom. Ensure the waterproof ring is securely fitted to the battery base. Tighten the 4 screws to fix the battery base in place. After installation, check if the waterproof ring is properly sealed.